showed up there.
6:05 feature audio clip was with the CEO of Norfolk Southern. That's, of course, the company that owns the trail, the derailed train in Palestine, Ohio. Was asked a question by a reporter saying, do you think maybe that the Secretary of Transportation should have been here already? And he dodged the question.
Someone who is there today is former President Donald Trump. He's apparently bringing water and supplies and expected to speak at an event this afternoon in that area, which of course overwhelmingly voted for him in the last election.
And former President Trump now faces yet another challenger on the Republican side in the race for president in 2024. His name is Vivek Ramaswamy. He is a multi-millionaire. He's a tech entrepreneur, and he has jumped into the race. So there are now, I believe, 4 who have declared.
And we also had a segment on the job skills that are most in demand right now. At the top of the list, leadership, management, communication, and sales.
Okay. Coming up tomorrow, we're talking office space.
Yes, the disaster that is office real estate right now.
The dumpster fire.
Exactly, that is office real estate. It's in terrible shape, so we'll have an update on that, of course. And then our storm, which is, moving in tonight and for the next couple of days.
Yeah, so it looks like late this afternoon is when it starts to roll through, and it's going to be colder, much colder, with lower elevations, like 500 feet for snow level.
And it's not just us. If you're traveling anywhere in the United States, you better check your flight first, because we have 15 inches of snow expected in Minneapolis and Denver, and lots of going on.
City will have the very latest for you this afternoon starting at 4 o'clock. We'll have the very latest for you tomorrow morning starting at 5 a.m. We hope you can join us then, and we thank you for being here. I'm Sam Shea.
I'm Christina Mendoza.
Breaking news, local news, traffic, and weather. For 100 years, KFBK, Sacramento's News Radio.
Today's real estate market is complex, but with over 35 years of experience, Tom Daves of EXT Realty has the answers you need, whether you're buying or selling, and he's waiting for your questions. 855-TOM-DAVES or TomDaves.com.
At Rayleigh's in Bel Air, take home Foster Farms fresh whole briar chicken. Perfect for baking, roasting, grilling, or frying for just 97 cents a pound. And pair your chicken with delicious fresh green asparagus for just $1.77 a pound. Only at Rayleigh's in Bel Air.
Solar credits are taking a dive. Lock in your benefits under the current policy now. There's no cost or obligation to you. Call 530-213-5660 before April 7th or visit solarlist.org.
Do you have over $10,000 in credit card debt? The stress from excessive credit card debt can ruin your life. Collection calls, sleepless nights. If you're feeling the financial impact with unprecedented economic challenges, DebtBlue is here for you. DebtBlue uses secret programs that most credit card companies won't tell you about. They'll help you consolidate or settle your debts for a fraction of what you owe. With DebtBlue's Success Guarantee, you pay nothing unless your debt is reduced or completely resolved. There's no risk. The more you owe, the more DebtBlue can save you. See how easy it is to get started with free information. Let DebtBlue show you how 10 minutes could save you thousands. Call now, 800-375-1158. That's 800-375-1158.
I'm just living sky high right now. I'm very thankful for it, and the team at DebtBlue are phenomenal. They're able to work with you. They're great.
Call for your free debt resolution information now. 800-375-1158. 800-375-1158.
Welcome in, Wednesday edition, Clay Travis, Buck Sexton Show. Appreciate all of you hanging out with us wherever you may be across the nation or around the world. Vindication, in some way, at long last, for those of us who have been arguing against masks for years. We will discuss the Georgia foreperson of the grand jury that is after Donald Trump is an imbecile. We will play some audio of that. Donald Trump on his way to East Palestine, Ohio, to survey the damage there while Joe Biden remains in Europe. Quite the contrast. A perfect metaphor, one might say, for America First. But, boss, late last night, this went up on the New York Times website. It is an opinion piece on their editorial page this morning in the newspaper. And the headline, Brett Stevens is the author. The mask mandate did nothing. Will any lessons be learned? And I'm just going to read the first couple of paragraphs. The most rigorous and comprehensive analysis of scientific studies conducted on the efficacy of masks for reducing the spread of respiratory illnesses, including COVID-19, author were unambiguous. There is no evidence that they, meaning masks, make any difference, he told Marianne DeMassey, full stop. Wait, hold on, what about N95 masks as opposed to lower quality surgical or cloth masks? Makes no difference. None of it makes everything. What about the studies that initially persuaded policymakers to impose mask mandates? They were convinced by non-randomized studies, flawed observational studies. Now, Buck, we talked about this. This is the Cochrane study, a British nonprofit. I'm reading from the editorial. Widely considered the gold standard for its review of healthcare data. 78 randomized controlled trials, 6 of them during COVID, 610,000 participants in multiple countries. No study or study of surveys ever perfect, but there is no sign that masks made any difference. Some of you out there may be saying, of course, I've been listening to you and Buck for 2 years or longer. We know that this is true. Why is this a story? Like, I think the New York Times finally telling its audience that all of their mask wearing was cosmetic theater that had no impact is significant because they're finally acknowledging the truth 3 years after many of us began to argue it.
This is because also there are no political consequences for it at this point. The midterm has passed. Very few places, if any, really still have mask mandates in place. I think doctors' offices in New York City, some hospital systems still do it. And you have people who are falling, well, doctors wear masks, so that's why we should all wear masks. There is really much here that should be unpacked and should be addressed. The fact of the matter is that the entire medical establishment got this wrong. That's beyond a doubt. I actually think that Brett Stevens here, who generally makes a living trashing Republicans for the amusement of Democrats over at the New York Times, I think it goes too soft in the article, because what happens when the mask mandates don't work? Then the response from true believers, the Fauciites out there still, who worship at their tiny altars to that tiny man, they will say, oh, well, here's the thing, it's because we didn't mask up properly that we have this problem. It's not that masks don't work, it's the mandates don't work. Right, the masks don't work. If you were doing it for any other medical intervention, if this was a study for a painkiller or any kind of a sleep medication, and you look at this macro study of studies, which is the gold standard that you can talk about, Cochrane study, and it shows you would be the last bet on any other issue if you said, well, we can still do this. It's still worth a shot. But they will never admit this, and I think that for a lot of us, it was deeply discouraging about the Democrat Party, about humanity more broadly, that they would not only go along with it, but they would be the enthusiastic enforcers of it.
Nice
I
side,
believe that one of the reasons we can't get away with it.
Very nice side. It's underwear.
The next issue comes up. That same mindset of the Siberian prison guards in the with airline.
Nice side. It's underwear.
For my husband's an airline. Were they being nice during this or not? If they were being nice to people and not being, some of them were maniacs. Okay, I got the person. I had a stewardess come up to me and tell me that I was taking too long when I was chewing. That I was taking too long between bites to mask up. That is a psychopath. That is a person who needs
That's a really nice
serious psychological assistance.